Hey everybody, how's it going? So we got a quick video. I picked up some items from Home Depot. One of them is a Milwaukee promo item that's sitting on the center floor section of Milwaukee, as well as a couple other items. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Alright, so just a quick video. I picked up a couple different items from Home Depot. All of these are PB Blaster. Different. Two of them are the same. The rest are different. So I picked up some silicone lubricant from PB Blaster. I picked up some dry lube. Dry lube with Teflon from PB Blaster. Well, there's no straw on this one. That's interesting. As well as I picked up a can of white lithium grease from PB Blaster. And I picked up the Multi-Max Premium Synthetic Multi-Use Lubricant. Displaces moisture, stops squeaks, protects against corrosion, long-lasting lubricant odorless formula. Outperforms major competitors 6 times in 6 ASTM tests. Picked up that. And I picked up 2 bottles of the Industrial Graphite Dry Lubricant. And these are the smaller cans. They're 5.5 ounces compared to this can, which is 10 ounces. And this can is 11 ounces. So the white lithium grease is 11 ounces. The Multi-Max is 10 ounces. The silicone is 11 ounces. And the dry lube is 9.3 ounces. So the dry lube with Teflon is actually less than these 3 right here. And I picked up 2 of these, so that's 5 and 5's 10. So it's 11 ounces. Basically, 2 of these cans is exactly 11 ounces. So I picked up those. And then this item right here is a promo that's going on in the center aisle at Home Depot for Milwaukee stuff. This is a 2-pack, 9-inch large 2-pack performance gloves. This was $19.97. It was an awesome deal in my opinion. I do have a pair of these style gloves already, and I really like them. I use them quite a bit. But the difference is that these are performance gloves also. Pretty similar gloves. I do use them and wear them a lot. These just don't have, these are just the stretchy band, where these actually have the straps. And I also have the leather version of the performance gloves. So these are just performance gloves. But there is a secondary variant of these gloves, which are right here. The ones in my left hand, which have the white Milwaukee emblem with the red. These are the leather performance gloves. So they have the leather palm. Where these, you could physically use the entire glove to swipe the screen on your phone. I'll give you guys an example. And I picked these up because they were so cheap, and I like the other performance gloves I have with the stretchy band. These right here. So I figured, why not? Pop them off. 2 for 20 bucks. These are normally shit. You know, these, and excuse my language, but these are normally $14.97 a pair. So these, I believe, are $14.97 also a pair. They feel a little bit different. These are very thin. These are kind of thicker, a little bit thicker, a little bit more padding. But Part number is 48-22-8727W. And these are $24.97 a pair. And then you have the demolition style with the leather hand palm section like these that are $29. But I gave you an example real quick. I'll just put this one on. This one is just a slide type. There's no buckle. You can swipe with your palm, so you can do screenshots on Samsungs. You can use your hands, all of your fingers. Even got this section where you can use your knuckle. The smart swipe. I'm sure these will be pretty much exactly the same. Put one of these on. I really like those. And I do like the ones that have the buckle as well, because sometimes the buckle is nice. You know, it's a little bit larger than my hand on, you know, the palm section, but you know, all they had was large and extra large, and a little loose down here, but they fit my fingers perfect. So I'm sure this is exactly the same. Index, middle finger, pinky, thumb, knuckle, and palm. Screenshot. So they're exactly the same. The only difference is these have a Velcro strap on one side, where these are just slip-ons. Only difference, I like these. I picked up these. I'm not going to complain for the price that they were. $19 basically makes them about $10 a pair, which is a pretty great price, to be honest with you. $10 a pair compared to $14.97. After tax ends up being 15, or well, after tax it ends up being about sort of the range of $16-17 a pair if you buy them separately. And I just have these two little magnetic hooks right here that I leave the gloves that I use the most. I just hang them off the toolbox. No big deal. I end up probably putting one of these in my glove container. I have a container that's got every type of glove you can probably think of. It's got probably 60 or 70 pairs of gloves in it. And those, when I need a different pair of gloves, or you know, I've washed a pair of these too much and they just broke down and they can't handle it anymore, I'll throw those one of those away, take another pair out of that container. So more than likely one of these is going to be left out to be used. Just a quick video. It's a heck of a deal for the gloves, to be honest with you. And you know, all of this right here was 60 bucks. No, not 60. 50 bucks. 50 bucks for everything here. 'Cause these cans are like $2-3 a piece. All the larger cans were $3.80 a piece, $3.90, almost $4 with tax. So just grab several items, things that I needed to stock up on that I use quite a bit. I grabbed two of these, specifically one to throw in the truck and one to keep in the house so I can use it on locks in the house. I have quite a bit of padlocks. I've got somewhere in the range of about 60 different padlocks, so it's going to come in handy. Lots of good items. I like PB Blaster. I'll technically just use about anything as long as it works. I'm not brand specific. Let me know, guys, in the comments. What do you use? Do you like PB Blaster? Do you prefer Seafoam brand? Do you prefer, you know, WD-40 brand. What brand of lube do you prefer? Do you prefer CRC? Which I have a lot of CRC products. I love CRC. It works well. But I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And got an Ulsa Tools link below. If you guys use that, it'll get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. As well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order. If you do use it, I do appreciate it. One last thing, I want to say thank you to all the watchers, the subscribers, non-subscribers, the people that like, dislike, people that use the affiliate links, people that just watch the ads on my channel in general. It helps a ton, and I want to say thank you to all of you guys. The channel's now paying for tools and wood and stuff that's needed for the channel, so we can do more demolition videos and stuff like that. We can start doing testing videos between brands and all kinds of other stuff. I do need to pick up some jaw horses so I can clamp some wood in them so we can start doing that. But we're going to be testing videos on Makita 12 volt, Makita 18 volt, Makita 36 volt X2, as well as the 40 volt and the 80 volt Makita that just came out. DeWalt 8 volt, 12 volt, 20 volt, 60 volt, and 120 volt flex volt tools, as well as Metabo HPT 18 volt and 36 volt, as well as Metabo themselves 18 volt. And we're going to be showing off Bosch tools as well, 18 volt tools. And we're going to be doing head-to-heads between hammer drills, different variants of different brands as I mentioned, as well as impact drivers, rotary hammers, and more, recip saws, small chainsaws. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, smoosh the bell notification icon. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!